If you are serious about improving your English, or if you really want to speak English fluently, this video will change your life. Because in this video, I am going to share 5 simple habits that I personally follow and anyone can follow, even if you are a beginner. No grammar pressure, no expensive course, just simple daily habits. If you follow these habits for 30 days, you can see a real difference in your English.
3, 2, 1.
Hi, my name is Saroj and this is my English learning journey. I'm not perfect. I'm also learning just like you. And that's why I don't share theory. I share real things that actually works. Because I know the biggest problem is not learning English. The biggest problem is consistency. So let's start with the first habit, which is the most powerful one. Habit number 1, think in English. This is the game changer. Most people try to translate from Hindi to English. That's why they get stuck. Instead, start thinking directly in English. Start small. When you wake up in the morning, just think, I will complete my all work. I need to go to office. I am feeling sleepy. Just simple sentences. Don't try to be perfect. Just try to think. This one habit can improve your English fluency a lot. Habit number 2, speak every day. Even if you don't have anyone to talk, still speak. Yes, speak alone. Talk to yourself. For example, I am making tea. I am going outside. I have a meeting today. At first, it will feel weird, but trust me, it works. Because I know fluency doesn't come from reading. Fluency comes from practice. Habit number 3, build your vocabulary. But don't try to learn 50 words in a day. That's a mistake. Instead, learn 5 words and use them. For example, let's take a word, improve. You will make sentence, I want to improve my English. Next word, practice. You can make sentence, I practice my English every day. When you learn and use that word, it will remember forever. Habit number 4, listen actively. Start listening to simple English contents. You can watch YouTube videos, simple podcast, or English conversation. Don't just watch, listen carefully. Try to understand how they speak, how they form sentences, and their pronunciation, and if possible, repeat after them. This is called shadowing, and it is very powerful. Habit number 5, be consistent. This is the most important habit. You don't need 5 hours daily. Even 20 to 30 minutes is enough, but do it every day. Because English is a skill, and skills improve with daily practice, not motivation. Discipline builds fluency. Let me tell you something honestly. You will not become fluent in 7 days. You will not become perfect in 1 month. But if you follow these 5 habits daily, you will definitely improve. Slowly but surely, and one day you will speak English with confidence. If you found this video helpful, please like and share this video and comment below which habits will you start from today. Remember, small steps every day will create big results. Start today, stay consistent, and trust the process. Please subscribe my channel for more real learning videos. See you in the next one.